Hi everyone, thanks for joining me for another Sunday meal prep. So today I'm super excited because we just got an air fryer. You might be able to see it in the back there. So I'm actually gonna make a few recipes with the air fryer. I'm gonna do some tofu buffalo nuggets, sweet potato fries, and I'm also gonna air fry some breakfast potatoes in there. So let me know if you have an air fryer, or let me know if your favorite kitchen gadget. Would love to hear. We're moving in a few months, so we do have some more room for kitchen gadgets, so I'm interested to hear what you love. Anyways, so let me walk you through what I'm going to be doing today for my Sunday meal prep. Alright, so these are the sheet pan protein pancakes. A little bit different than those typical pancakes. I made a tofu breakfast scramble similar to a previous week's. A Mexican quinoa black bean dish. And then these are the tofu nuggets and the sweet potato fries I did in the air fryer. Threw in some celery there, and then of course some overnight oats. And here's my camera guy.
No. You can.
All right, well, thanks for joining me for another meal prep Sunday. I'm super excited to eat this week's meal, especially with the air fryer. But you can head on over to my blog for the full recipes. Sometimes it can be hard to pause the video to grab the recipes, so that's NicoleOsinga.com. And let me know if there's any other videos that you want to see. Just leave them in the comments below. All right, thanks again. Bye, everyone.